Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Muhammad Hafiz Suha bin Jasmine.
My name is Jasmine Deko.
My name is Mustaqim Rashidi.
My name is Habil Imran bin Azmi.
Today we are going to discuss about the differential equation concept. So does anyone here know about the concept?
Yes, I know. By doing some research just now, I find that the differential equation definition can be determined as an equation involving derivative of an unknown function and possibly the function itself as well as the independent variable. So, do you know anything else about this differential equation?
Yeah, I do know. Okay, so first what I know is this differential equation has many forms and its order is determined based on the highest order of derivative in it. So there are how many types of differential equation?
So you guys know that differential equation can be divided into two types. Firstly, separable variable, and second type is first order differential equation. So Nafis, did you know anything related to this topic?
Yes, first order differential equation are such equation that have the unknown derivative is the first derivative and its own function. So what are the applications of this differential equation concept?
Okay, so from what I know, we use this differential equation concept widely in the science field. So in biology, we use this differential equation concept to find the change of temperature over a time interval from global warming. Then we also use this differential equation concept to find the sensitivity of drugs and also the voltage of a brain neuron after a certain time interval. Then we also use this concept, we use chain rule to find the great root of the tumor. How we can calculate this is by normal tumors are in the shape of spherical. So we can find the radius and then we can use this chain rule and assuming the radius is the constant k to find the great root of the tumor. So what else do you know?
Differential equation also can be used to calculate numbers of disease carrier in certain population. Here's an example. Influenza virus is the main problem in Bangladesh. Also, many people in our country has affected by this virus. The person carrying this influenza virus returned to an isolated village of 500. Let us assume that the rate at which the virus spread is proportionally not only to the number of affected people, but also to the people who are not infected. Number of people affected can be observed and calculated in after 5 months can be calculated using this differential equation. So Habib, what else do you know?
So, besides in the science field, so basically in the engineering, so I find that Newton's law of cooling effect states that the rate of the change of the temperature is proportionally to the difference between its own temperature. So from that, we will see that when we are translated the verbal statement into the differential equation. So that's how we use the differential equation. That's how we apply the differential equation in our daily life. So the solution from the equation that we get just now, then will be the function that tracks the complete record of the temperature over the time. So that's how we apply the differential equation in our daily life. So, do you know anything about application in our daily life, Nafis?
I found some information on the internet stated about the application of this differential equation concept about radioactive decay. So some nuclei are energetically unstable and can spontaneously transform into more stable forms by various processes. The rate at which a particular radioactive sample will decay depends on its identity of the sample. The half-life is the amount of time required for one half the nuclei in a sample of the isotope to decay. Therefore, the shorter the half-life, the more rapid the decay rate. So that is where we use the differential equation to calculate the decay rate. So does anyone else know?
Okay, so I want to add this now. Okay, we also use this differential equation concept in the economic field. First, we use this to find the optimum investment strategies. So, and then we also use this differential equation concept to cost and profit of a business, and we can also use this concept to find the capital accumulation over a specified period of time. And we also use this concept in the field of physics to find this concept is involved in electromagnetism and also in the Einstein story of general relativity. So what are the other applications of differential equation in our daily life?
Besides, we can also use this differential equation in the process of draining a tank. So let us assume that a tank in the form of right circular cylinder standing on end is leaking water through a circular hole in its bottom. So we can find the height of water in the tank at any particular time if the height of water is given. Yeah, so Habil, what do you think?
So beside in the biology, so I think we can use this differential equation in physics. For example, when we studying the simple harmonic motion in school, or we used to check the system stability. So what do you think?
I also gained some information from the internet stated that we can use this differential equation concept in radiocarbon dating, which is a process used by anthropologists and archaeologists to estimate the age of organic matter such as wood or bone.
Okay, so in conclusion, I think it's this differential equation concept is used widely in many fields, and it's proven that it's really useful in many different fields, for example, science, physics, engineering, and all that.
I think that's all for our discussion today. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye.